Hello there. Need to update your bank info on the Dasher app? No worries. Here a quick step by step to get it done under a minute. First thing first, open up the Dasher app on your smartphone and log in if you haven't already. Now tap on the earnings tab on the bottom and of the screen. This is where all your payout info lives. Scroll down a bit and you will see an option labeled bank account. Go ahead and tap on that. Here's where you will enter your new bank details. That means your routing number and account number. Take a sec to double check those numbers. We definitely don't want your earning going to the wrong place. Once everything looks good, hit that save button. And that's it. You have just updated your bank account info on DoorDash. Simple, right? Need help with anything else in the app? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more bite-sized tutorials.